see? Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I've seen where just 4 days ago Snowman gave us this track. To be honest guys, I never even noticed that they have gave us a track called Sirius. No, I think this is one of the official tracks. They've gave us like multiple tracks in couple months ago coming up, but this is actually one of the official tracks that I could say, hey, it's an official music. Alright, and I do love and appreciate the Snowman. Right, there are some great, excellent musicians with such great storytelling, with such great embodiment of work when it comes on to the music. So people, I'll be reacting to Sirius by Snowman. With that being said, let's venture. You see, Snowman always have this creativity about them that always sparks not my attention only, but others who are fan of their music. Always spark some beautiful scenery in their songs. See, the music sounds awesome already. Breath of silence, blending in with the scent of dark. Alright, so I do like the concept of this so far. The story sounds appealing. Starting to stare in your gaze. Once you lock eyes, there's no escape. So I guess this time around, love is just prevailing, because I've checked out a lot of artists' songs different from Snowman, and trust me, each artist that I've checked out, it's about love. It's about, appreciation of that person. And I do like this type of music. These music should be in this space more. Preach about love, sing about love, because love is abundance. It comes with so much blessing, bro. Right? I will steal your heart. Bro, as I said, bro, love is something that we can't escape from. Alright? If we should encounter love, then that's destiny. If love isn't stopping at our doorstep, then that's destiny. But one thing for sure, love always wins. Hatred doesn't take you far. Trust me on that. Yo, we're getting serious. Yeah, we have to be serious about love. We have to be serious about each other. We're getting serious. We're getting very serious here, bro. Damn. Yo, we're getting serious. Give me that, give me that, give me that tonight. Eyes on me in the night. Because, once love is in the air, once love is just circulating that position, right? Each individual will now have eyes locked, focusing on each other, because you're going to stare in each other's soul, deep within, to feel love, to feel connection. And afterwards, bro, soul tie. Soul tie. Like, that's a real thing, bro. Like, whenever time you find that person, and that person literally have sex with you, and you can get a connection together, you can feel love during that sexual intercourse, bro, that's totally soul tie. And this song is such a romantic music. Like, Damn, bro. Like, just imagine what they're saying. It is just clear and vivid as day.
The night say I give him all letter. Eyes on me in the night. Give me for eyes on me in the night. I give him all letter.
Yeah, you're trembling now. Eyes on me. Cry out. Cry out. More louder. Scream. Scream for the love, bro. Eyes on me. Cry out. Wow. Even louder. Oh, I gotta say, bro, these guys are top notch in the game, bro.
Eyes on me in the night. Give me
Whoa, that entrance is flipping dope. A shadow forms in your mind, a shadow of love. Yo, I gotta say, these guys are just too good, bro. Just too good. You're drowning. No, you're completely mine. You're now surrendered to me. You're my lover. You're my baby. You're my sweetheart. You're my pumpkin. You're my everything. Yo, that is the reason why I love their music. Because just imagine what they're saying here. It is just so manifesting, bro. Like, their music is just one in a billion, one in a lifetime. So who am I not to believe that these people aren't artists? They are definitely artists. Some vivid pictures are being painted here, and I do appreciate this. Such a romantic yet loving music from these guys. Damn, bro. Yo, so there's no turning back. There's no turning back. Don't look back, because why? I want to turn your ordinary upside down. The ordinary love. Alright, I want to turn it upside down. Alright, so it could be bizarre loving. It could be go beyond what loving is, romantically speaking. Right, so let's continue. Yo, these guys are way too good, bro. Way too good. Yo, just imagine, right? Someone walk up to you and told you that, hey, I want to steal your world. Ratatata. Girl, are you okay? Simple means that just because of her shock, just because of her thrill, there's a bah, 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 bah. Hey, girl, are you okay? I'm here. Look at me, I'm here. Like, are you shocked? Are you thrilled just because my loving is just too much for you? Are you shocked? I'm here. Are you okay? Like, come on, I'm here. Don't need to be afraid.
Okay, we're getting serious.
Is sneaking into your heart. Lovely. Magnificently lovely. Gotta say, music like this, I do love it. Don't be afraid. I'm here to love you. Why are you scared? Isn't that what you're here for? Hey, baby girl. Isn't that what you're here for? Just to be loved? Just to be feeling, loved by someone? Don't be afraid. Don't run away. I've already colored your world with my love, with my romance, with my romantic aura. So there is no way to run. Don't be afraid. You're already mine. You're trapped in my trap. Music with just substantial feeling, bro. Oh my god! Yo, these guys are way too incredible. Too good, bro. Very great artist. I won't let you go. Definitely so. Yo, just bear this in mind, guys. Right? Eyes on me tonight. You and I only tonight. Block out all the distractions that are there. Because just focus on me. Just you and I tonight. That's just basically it. They are really good artists. I ain't gonna lie. Excellent music. Guys, thank you so much for watching. To be honest, I can get a female just by these lyrics, right? You have the female's art, then you are a musician. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, and I'll see you guys there.